Runes are living tradition. They are an important part of my everyday life, as they were for Nordic and Germanic people for hundreds of years. I've always been very intuitive, and these have helped guide me tremendously, even more than my tarot cards, so they become my preferred divination system, and I think anyone can learn to use them. I'm not going to focus on the history or how to use them. My aim is to show you how I made mine using methods that I think are respectful and mirror the way they were traditionally made. Like everything else on my altar, I prefer to make what I can. There are 24 runes, each with symbols that represent the forces in nature. 25 if you count weird, or word, which is the blank rune. Runes are simple to make. You'll need a knife, sandpaper, and sticks. Runes can be made from any natural material. I chose a branch from Turkey Run since it's a place that has significance to me. 25 runes need to fit in the palm of your hands. I found branches that were roughly 3/4 inch in diameter. Cut the branches into 25 pieces, roughly 1 centimeter thick. I'm using a simple hand saw to saw. And saw. And saw. I left the bark on, but I like to keep it organic. Once they are cut to size, lightly sand them. Before I paint the symbols, I like to sit in quiet at my altar and meditate. You can call upon Freya or Odin, who are the patrons of the runes. I don't worship Norse gods, or any god for that matter, but I think it's important to acknowledge the beliefs that created this still living tradition. You'll need a small brush and acrylic paint. I would avoid using stains or sealants, as they might block your connection with the rune. You don't want to lose the connection with the natural wood. That's just my thought. The color is up to you, but traditional colors are red, blue, and green. If you aren't sure, use your intuition. I'm personally drawn to red, so that's what I used. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Some of mine didn't turn out as nice as I wanted. When they're done, simply set them out to dry before use. To keep your runes safe and from getting lost, make a rune pouch. Like the runes, the pouch should be made from natural materials. I made mine out of a leather that was gifted by a friend, and I tied it with a string from a bag of incense. I'm not going to go into detail today, but stay tuned for a future tutorial. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please comment below. As always, thank you for watching.